Greetings and welcome to this case study. We're going to do a case study on GBP AUD. So for this trade, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we have a very serious bearish market. So where we noticed something here on the market, we had several mitigation here. We have a mitigation here, another mitigation here before we break. Had a break here. We are expecting markets to come back to the supply zone here before moving. So the supply zone that the market later mitigated is very visible on the 4 hours time frame. So this is it. That was the thing that the market mitigated. So let's go back to the 1 hour. So after we mitigated the 4 hours supply zone, so we had a change of character somewhere around here. So it was after the change of character and this supply mitigation that we had our entry for this particular trade. So we just recently that the market seen it take profit. So let's go to the lower time frame to see what actually happened. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Here we had very clean change of character in the market. Okay. Got a very clean change of character here in the market. So after the change of character, markets used here as inducement to mitigate the supply zone. So since we had a very quick rejection of this zone, I noticed that that's a good area to find an entry. For this one, I didn't enter the first trade. I was waiting for the confirmation. So I entered here. So let's go to the lower time frame to see what actually happened. Now this is the 5 minutes time frame. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Let's zoom in to see what actually happened in this area where we took our entry. So market actually had a quick mitigation here. Then there was a quick rejection, led to a change of character. So this is it. So we had a break here. Had another break here. Then we had a change of character somewhere around here. That's the low for this movement. So what market actually mitigated was the 5 minutes supply. That was what the market mitigated, and market mitigated the inside bar supply zone, which was the inside bar was very visible. The inside bar supply was very visible. We noticed that it's going to be a bearish market, and we targeted this low. So what actually happened is that based on the placement, I didn't snap this place in particular. I just drew the line close to this place, so market didn't trigger it earlier. So I still held the trade. So it was later on that after a series of days, markets hit, and these are take profit now. So this trade is 1:21. Let's go to the lower time frame to see what actually happened and how they had a change of character in this area. So this is the 3 minutes time frame. So this there's a demand zone here. There's a demand zone here which later failed the market. That on the 1 hour. On the 1 minute time frame. There's demand zone which later failed. So this is the 1 hour. So in cases where there are inside bar point of interest, I usually take the whole candle, unless it is very large. Apart from that, I take the whole candle without refining this further. Let's still go down to the 1 minute to see what actually happened here. So this is the 1 minute time frame. We had a break here. It has a break here, and these are low. So this demand zone here is what led to this mitigation. Then later on, market came down and took out this demand zone. Then after some hours, market came up and mitigated this hour supply before moving, giving us this nice clean entry in the market. That is 1:21 risk to reward ratio. So that's it for this particular case study on GBP AUD. See you on the next one.